Hello everyone. It's great to see you again in this video. Well, recently I've been quite busy and haven't been able to upload new videos to share with you. So in today's video, I will share with you two really cool tricks in the Gerber AccuMark software. Why do I call them tricks? Because other software simply can't do this, guys. Only Gerber can execute this command. And if we were to make patterns by hand on paper, it would take a lot of time because this is quite a meticulous trick. But with the Gerber AccuMark software, it automatically calculates for us with 100% accuracy. And when you sew it, it's absolutely precise. So if you happen to find this video helpful and truly valuable to you, please take a moment to leave a comment below saying it's amazing and such great knowledge to have. And please subscribe to the channel so that whenever I release brand new videos in the future, you will be among the very first people to see them. And don't forget to like the video. Now, I'll go ahead and share with you right away. So this is a simple cup that we will use for our practice today. Our task right now is to close this part up right there and then open up this cup again. But if you were to use other software, you would likely cut this piece and paste it over here, right? But then what about the bottom of the cup? What exactly do we do with it? See, the bottom of the cup is still there. And you need to have some other techniques to get rid of the bottom of the cup, right? Or if you do it by hand on paper, it's the same. You will also need techniques to eliminate this cup, okay? But the Gerber AccuMark software calculates this for us very accurately. You will go to the advanced command. You will see here that there is a command called rotate. You will click on this cup, okay? Click on this cup. Then you will click on the top of this new cup, all right? Then you will click on an edge that you want to keep, the one that needs to stay fixed, okay? It needs to stay still. And now you click in the middle of this detail, right? You right click here, then click OK. Right click OK, and you'll see that our cup has been closed and a new cup has opened and moved over here. That's it. It's really great. It calculates everything for us so that when we open it up, it's very precise. See? This is a special trick. Now I'll share the second trick with you all.
Hello everyone, my name is Nguyen Viet Than. Currently I work as a technician for a company specializing in manufacturing textile products for export. By joining the OptiTech course at PDS Academy, taught directly by Mr. Dinh Duy Cuong, I have gained access to a wealth of knowledge in both the OptiTech and Clo 3D software. This has greatly supported my work, helping me save time and making me more confident when working with clients. Once again, I would like to thank Mr. Dinh Duy Cuong.
Now for this second trick, take a look. With this cup here, how would you split it? Take one cup from this side and one cup from the other side. That's it. If you were doing this by hand on paper, you would have to cut and paste the paper, which is quite time consuming. Or if you use other software, you also have to do it manually. It can't be done automatically. But with Gerber AccuMark software, it can be done automatically. Take a look here. You see this command right here, distribute seam line. Click on this command. Now we click on this cup, okay? After that, we will click on the specific point where we want to open this cup. Then right click OK and enter the value for how much we want to open the new cup. After that, just press enter and it will transfer a portion from the old cup to the new one. That's it. It splits off exactly the value we entered. Next, let's split it over to this side. We click on this cup. We click on the point where we want to open it and right click OK. However much you want to split over, just enter the exact value and press enter. It is incredibly precise. And for these cup peaks, if you want to move them somewhere else, there are adjustment commands here as well. And it is very simple and easy for us to adjust them. See, do you notice that? These are two extremely useful and effective tricks. And if you truly want to learn the Gerber software in a much more professional and in-depth manner, just go to Google right now and search for the specific keyword online.pds for me. At that point, you'll go to the website of PDS Fashion Academy and then you just click on the courses section, okay? You will see all the courses at PDS Academy here, and you should go to the section with the Gerber software course so you can check out information about the Gerber software right here. That's it. And here as well. Okay, you just click on the course, that's right, and then you can come here and see everything. Just scroll down below, okay? You can view all of these lessons. On the left is the lesson name, and on the right is the number of minutes. And if you register for the course, I will give you an account so you can access the lecture videos, and then you'll be able to watch all the lectures that I just showed you. And if you need advice, just inbox me via Zalo or Facebook. I will provide you with guidance. And remember, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that when I release new videos, you'll be the first to see them. Goodbye, everyone. I will see you again in the upcoming videos.